Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all about the font settings of your device Infinix Hot 40i. But before we talk about that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video.